Chris will check back. As Chris said, the National Weather Service confirms a powerful EF2 tornado touched down here in Madison County. CBS 4 brought you live coverage of that storm last night. Hannah Fulman gives us a closer look now at this aftermath.
As you can see, that tornado left considerable damage to where we are now. And we actually spoke with one of the homeowners who lives nearby, and she says she's just grateful for her life and her family.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total trees, and then I've got sections of trees that went down.
Carmela King has called this place home for more than 40 years. And on Monday night, her forever home was hit by a tornado.
I woke up and I couldn't even look out my window. And I thought, well, yeah, it's not fog. And so then I went to my door and I couldn't go out my door because of the tree on top of my roof.
King woke up to many trees toppled over, debris everywhere, and her porch swing on the complete other side of her backyard. But her community is already stepping in to help.
I just posted it on Facebook, and then cars started pulling in, and more cars kept pulling in. Then a tractor pulled in, and it's like God supplied all the needs.
The National Weather Service confirmed the EF2 tornado touched down in this part of Madison County just before 10 o'clock Monday night, with peak wind gusts at 130 miles per hour. It left considerable damage to the Franklin Lapel Community Schools Administration Building, the Perkinsville Cemetery, and at least 2 homes nearby, including King's home.
A lot of the debris is very indicative of a tornado with the circulating pattern, the lifting, the lofting.
Despite everything, King is still keeping her positive attitude.
I have friends and family that's come to help me, and it's just unreal. God has supplied. I said, well, I guess God wanted me to trim my trees, and so I did.
And she is just thankful nobody was hurt.
It could be worse. I have electricity, and I have family and friends that love me, and that's all that matters.
Cleanup will continue here in the coming days, as well as to the several homes that were damaged in Monday night's tornado. For now, reporting in Madison County, I'm Hannah Fulman.